tissue. In the last worksheet we have discussed about the meristematic tissue. So what happens to the cell formed by meristematic tissue in plants? Because meristematic tissues are dividing tissue, and these simple permanent tissue, as the name is saying, that means they have got some permanent function. We are going to talk about the parenchyma. Meristematic tissue are similar to the meristem itself, but after particular cell division these cells lose their ability to divide, and these cells undergo a process of differentiation, after which they form permanent tissue or become component of permanent tissue. So the meristematic tissue who has lost their ability to divide and gets a permanent function are known as permanent tissue. So what is this cell differentiation? Cell differentiation is actually a complex process in which a simple cell grows, matures and changes its character slowly by and attain the ability to perform a specialized function in an organism, and this process is called differentiation. That means initially the cell have the ability to divide, but slowly when it grows up it changes its characteristics and it loses its ability to divide and gains the ability to perform a specific function. So through this permanent tissue are formed, and in this we are going to discuss two types of permanent tissue, simple and complex. Simple are made up of single type of cell and complex are made up of different types of cell. So let's see what are simple type of permanent tissue. We'll discuss about the three types, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Today we are going to discuss only parenchyma. So parenchyma are the cells, they form basic packing of the cell. You can see these are the different parenchyma cells, also called the packing tissues. The cells are usually found in inner layer of leaves, mainly filling of stem and root cortex. These cells are living and have thin walls, and these cells are largely located vacuoles that store food and water. So they also do the storage function, and these are loosely packed and have intercellular spaces. This is the space which is in between the cells. This is known as intercellular spaces. Intra means between, intra means inside the cell, and inter means between the two cells. Type of parenchyma, if we say, sometimes it has also said that chlorenchyma. In some plants parenchyma is called chlorenchyma because of the presence of chlorophyll in it, which helps in the process of photosynthesis. So it is called chlorenchyma. And arenchyma is another type of parenchyma tissue found in aquatic plants. These cells have large air space that which provide buoyancy to the plant. Buoyancy means, as you can see, this air space means it is hollow from inside, so this helps the plant to float on the water. This is known as buoyancy. Now the question answers. What are permanent tissues? Name their types. Permanent tissues are the tissues which have lost their ability to divide and got permanent function. Simple permanent tissue, these are made up of single type of cells, and complex permanent tissue, these are made up of different types of cells. Cell differentiation, it is a complex process in which cell grows, matures and changes its characteristics slowly and attain the ability to perform a specialized function in an organism, and this process is known as cell differentiation. Next, question number 3. List two features of parenchyma tissues. Its cells are living and have the thin walls, and it provides basic support to the plant. And main function, the cell have large centrally located vacuole that stores water and food. So this is the main function. Where are parenchyma tissue found in plants and why they are called packing tissue? Parenchyma are usually found in the inner layers of the leaves, main filling of stem and root, and the basic packing cells in plants are also called packing tissue because they form the basic packing cells in which the material is stored. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel.